Hi, it's Deb. I have not been around for quite a while. We've had a very interesting last 2 years, to be honest. And since none of my old equipment works anymore, as a matter of fact, my computer, it won't even record sound. So I'm not sure when I'll have my next video. I did the showing the hoop in action on my embroidery machine, and I did that between visits. My husband was in the hospital, major surgery. He's okay, he's home, but this hoop, they mailed it to me. This is a SewTech 8 by 12 magnetic hoop, and it's the new version of magnets, and they very kindly sent me one, but it arrived the day before he went into the hospital, so my research was done in between spots, and it may not be as good as I had hoped. But all the same, I'm gonna get. I told him I'd do a 3-minute video. I don't, it's gonna be more than that. I never shut up. But I love their hoops. I love their hoops. I have every size that I know of except the 4x4. This is the 8x12, and I did not have it. So, yay, I've got it now. These magnets, the small ones, are 1 by 2 inches, and you'll see they have a small lip all around them. The magnet is completely encased in here, but still, there's the warnings, no pacemakers or anything. We don't want to turn somebody off. The longer ones are 1 by 4 inches. They have the lip that kind of folds over the side, helps make your fabric a little tauter. There's no N in that. Taut. And it has the little finger hole. I have discovered that I think it's easier when you just put your finger in it, and it'll pop right up. When I try to get all my fingers under it, it actually takes me longer to get it off. So that would be my one tip. Put one finger under there and pop it up. It'll come right up. The 8 by 12 comes with 8 of the long ones and 4 of the small. Fantastic amount. I checked. It works. They work on my other hoops. I'm not telling you just, buy one and then use the magnets on everything. I'm just telling you that it's the same. Well, this one even says M here, but to get them, I have written it down, it has to be that number with the MK at the end, and then it'll show you the ones with the long magnets when you do a search. So they of course have the Brother Baby Lock hoops, and they supply some sizes for Viking and Husqvarna, and that's Viking. No, wait, I'm forgetting one. Janome. I do not have a Janome embroidery machine. I have a Baby Lock machine. I have the Meridian upgraded to the 2. Fantastic machine. It'll go to a 9.5 by 14-inch hoop. It does huge hoopings, but I have discovered I am uncomfortable doing those huge hoopings, so I tend to not use that biggest hoop. Maybe for a quilt. I have used it for quilting. Anyways, I digress. Again, this is why my videos are so long. So, this hoop you can get, of course, on the SewTech site. Fantastic site. And they'll ship them out to you. You can also, I did a quick little search on Amazon, and I just put in SA447MK, and it popped right up. So I'm not going to say any prices, because for one thing, they change constantly. You can't keep up with it. I don't want somebody going, hey, she said it was, and it's, whatever. So let's go into showing you how it works on my machine. And there won't be an outro, so thank you so much for joining me again. This is the new hoop from SewTech. 8 by 12 is what I've got hooped in here. I'm just going to do a quick little, I call it coffee mat. I put my coffee maker on it. And we're just going to quilt it for a quick demonstration. Thank you.